Continuation of percentage. Already 20 questions are over. In this video, I will discuss with you from 21. Before going to see this video, first you go through that videos and try to practice the material. You can get the command. Now see here question number 21. What is question number 21? A guru gave 40% of his retirement money to his wife. A person, guru gave the retirement money 40% to his wife. 40% of his retirement money to his wife. He also gave 20% of the remaining amount to each of his 3 sons. Now he has 3 sons. First 40% he gave to his wife. The rest of the amount, 20% he gave to his 3 sons it is. 50% of the amount now he left. So was on miscellaneous items. He spent on miscellaneous remaining items. And the remaining amount of 1,20,000 was deposited in the bank. After all these spendings, he spent 1,20,000 rupees. So he deposited 1,20,000 rupees in the bank it is. But what is the question here? How much money did the guru gets as retirement money? Now what is his total retirement money? Now here in this type of question, you observe in the question remaining, rest of the is given. Remaining percentage you have to take. Now in the first here, if you observe 40% of money he gave to his wife. 40% he gave to his wife means remaining, means 60% of. What you have to take here? 60% of. That is the clue. 60% of. Now in the remaining 20% he gave to his 3 sons. 20%. Remaining means 80% of. 20% of 80% of. In the remaining money he spent 50% on miscellaneous. Remaining means again 50% spent. Remaining means 50%. So 50% of total. You get the balance amount. So you take only balance amount. 40% spend means you take 60% down. 20% spend means you take 80% down. 50% spend means you take 50% down. So 60% of 80% of 50% of total is equal to balance amount. What is the balance amount? 1,20,000 rupees. He deposited in the bank it is. This you have to calculate to get the answer 60 by 100 into 80 by 100 into 50 by 100 into total. So by cancellation, you get total equal to how much amount here? 5 lakhs rupees. Try to calculate. Calculation ability also you have to develop by practicing. That is very important. That skill you can get only by practicing. Calculation ability you can get only by practicing. So different types of calculations you have to practice every day. Then only you can get the command on calculation ability. Understood all of you? Now, question number 22. What is question number 22? In an examination, 80% of the students passed in English. 80%. 85% are in mathematics. And 75% both in English and mathematics. 75% both English and mathematics. Now, if 40 students failed in both, here it is given failed. Previously it is given passed percentage in English, passed percentage in mathematics, passed percentage in both it is given. But here it is given 40 students failed in both the subjects. Now what you have to calculate? Find the total number of students who appeared in the examination. What is the total number of students appeared for the examination? That you have to calculate. So here 2 subjects is given. You have to draw Venn diagram. So when you go for Venn diagram, so both is given, then you go for Venn diagram. It is a simple method. Now here 2 Venn diagrams here, English and mathematics it is. English and mathematics. So 2 circle. Now both you have to fill for 75%. Now here what is given? 75% pass in both the English and mathematics. 70, that you have to take first. Now this circle represents English. First circle represents English. English how much here total? 80%. 80% pass in English. Now already in this circle here 70 is there, 75 is there, remaining 5. You have to take here remaining. So total again 75 plus 5 how much? 80%. Now mathematics is 85%. Here 75 is there. Here you take 10. So mathematics means second circle total. Second circle total is how much? 85. 75 plus 10. So this is total pass percentage. Okay, 5 plus 75 plus 10. That is the pass percentage. How much pass percentage now? 90. 5 plus 75 plus 10. 90% pass. So pass means both pass. Failed means what you say? Both failed. What is the both failed here? 10%. Here it is given clearly 10 students failed in both the subjects. 10% failed in both the subjects it is given. So 10% value be 40. One clue is there. 10% value be 40. 10% value be 40 clear. If 10% is 40, you calculate the total number of students appeared for the examination means 100% value. You have to calculate. What is 100% value now? 100% value means 10%, 40 means into 4 here. Here also into 4, 100 into 4. What is 100 into 4? 400 it is. Understood? Very clear. Very simple examples you have to practice. Now, the remaining questions I will discuss in the next video. Thank you to all of you.